If you want to know how I'm able to work with this follower account and still get brand deals, make sure to keep on watching. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what I learned as a small natural hair influencer, how to get brand deals, and how to work with companies and get paid, get dash money, baby. So I'm going to get straight to the point. Number one, companies look at numbers. Numbers are very important to companies. What I mean by that is your follower count doesn't matter when it comes to getting a brand deal or working with companies. It's very hard for people who have a follower count below 10k to get brand deals or work with company, because these companies see us as little. These companies don't see our worth, they don't see our hard work, so in their mind, working with them is going to be more beneficial to you than to them. But I have a follower count of 2,970 something, and I'm still able to get brand deals. It all lies in how you pitch yourself to these companies and the content you create. On the topic of companies, as a small influencer or a nano influencer, company rather give you free products than giving you money or giving you what you're worth, and this is very stressful. But I have two opinions on this topic. If social media is your job, or if social media is how you make your money, I say stand your ground and tell these companies you want money for the content you're going to create for them. Because these companies, you guys, some of these companies are very greedy. They refuse to give out money. They will rather give you free stuff than give you money, while they make millions of dollars or even billions of dollars. To be very honest, first in the beginning, I wasn't asking these companies for money because I was too afraid to get the answer no. So that's why I wouldn't mention money when I reached out to these companies. I was too afraid that they wouldn't want to work with me anymore. So later on, I realized that no, I'm working very hard for my content just to be created with just free product and not get paid for it. But now I'm just okay with it. If you don't want to pay me, then you're not getting my content. That's simple as that. And my second opinion is, if your follower count is below 1,000 followers or even 1,000 followers, I would say take the free products. When I was at 1,000 followers or 1,000 something followers on Instagram, a company reached out to me and they asked if I could accept free products and do a YouTube content for them. So I was like, okay, I'm getting free products, because it is true, some of these companies do get you exposure you need. So in my experience, I received the free product, I made content on that, and that video got over 10k views. So sometimes you do get the engagement or you do get exposure from getting free products. These are my two opinions on the topic when companies give you free products or getting paid. Next thing I experienced is you're going to reach out a lot to these companies. As a small influencer, as a nano influencer, you're going to reach out a lot because these companies are not lining up to work with you. That's in a dream world or dreamland. These companies are not piling up or lining up to work with you. You are going to reach out yourself, and that may take maybe 100 emails, 50 emails, and some of these emails will come unanswered. Some emails you will get an email back and you will think, oh my god, the company responded, but it's just an email saying we received your email, okay? And sometimes this may have a demotivating effect on you. I don't let it affect me. I write all my thoughts, all the bad thoughts, all the demotivating thoughts on a piece of paper or in my journal, and I just let the piece of paper or the journal deal with the emotion, okay? I just get it off of me because I don't want it working on my mental health. It's something I've learned from TikTok. When you're overthinking, just write. If you're a small influencer, small companies are going to reach out to you. And what I learned is the small companies are the ones that are more willingly to pay than these big companies who make millions and billions of dollars. If you want a big company's attention, make sure to go out and buy their products, or if you already have their products lying in your product stash, make sure to make content about their products. Maybe if it's a twist out video, if it's a hairstyle video, make sure to mention them in your video. Make sure to mention them in the comment section, mention them in the video, hashtag the video. And to get noticed easier or faster, make sure to repost it to your story and tag them in your story. And if in the future you want to work with them for a paid collaboration, it's easier because you already built a trust by doing content with their product. Create quality content. If you want to make quality content with your phone, make sure to film with your back camera. Don't go out and pressure yourself to buy a camera. Make sure to do that on your own timing, and when you saved enough money to invest in your work, in your job, then go out and buy a camera or a ring light, and that's how you invest in your job. In this influencer world, you gotta be patient. I've been at this for exactly 2 years, and I really saw my hard work paying off in my second year. It was very frustrating in the beginning. I wanted to give up so many times, you guys. You don't know how much I wanted to give up, but I had in the back of my mind, like, I do want to do this. This is my passion. And of course, people motivating me, encouraging me, those are the things that kept me going. If you're asking yourself, yes, this is my job. I do get paid for what I do. I'm not trying to brag, but I do have 3 streams of income. I am working on getting more streams of income, but I'm just trying to grow my platform more. My first stream of income is Instagram. No, Instagram doesn't pay you for posting. It's the companies that reach out to you and getting you brand deals. That's what getting you paid. My second stream of income is YouTube. My videos that I post, I do get paid for the videos that I post. I got monetized this year. Woo! I got monetized this year. My third stream of income is Amazon affiliate. I do get paid from Amazon. Amazon pays me. If you want to know more about that, I can make a video on that. Actually, I have 4 streams of income, and the 4th stream of income, I do have a small business where I sell natural hair accessories. I'm just doing this in my country. It's not online yet, but I'm working on it to get it online. That is all I have. If you want a part 2, I would gladly make a part 2, but these are some of the stuff I experienced being in my 2 year of being in this influencer world, creating content. I wouldn't have it any other way. I like creating content. I like making natural hair videos. Not only natural hair videos, beauty related videos, lifestyle related videos, and I really love that. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.